Okay, now we are going to take out the plastic. Oh, it feels so good to take out the plastic. Okay, so now let's see what is inside the box. Okay, so we have a yellow covering. Okay, so let's see what is inside this small box again. We have some documentation. Okay, and a plastic cover. Okay, so let me say you one thing, that this plastic cover is not going to protect your phone, because okay, now first of all let's see the phone. Okay, so this is the Poco X3 version. So let's see the camera here. It has got 4 cameras here, and it looks a bit nice, isn't it? So now let us take out the plastic again from here. So let's see the specs of this Poco. So it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, which is up to 2.3 GHz octa-core CPU, and it has got a 120 Hz 6.67-inch Full HD plus dot display, and it has also got 64 MP of AI quad camera and 5160 mAh of battery. It supports 33-watt fast charger. So this phone, it looks very good, but as you can see here, it is a fingerprint magnet. So I suggest you to put some, though it comes with the screen protector, so I think you have to put it again, one extra screen protector. So my fingerprints are everywhere, so you have to protect this lens also, because it is a bit projected out. So as you can see, it is the fingerprint is all over here, and the fingerprint sensor is out here, and it has also got 3.5 mm headphone jack here, and it is a USB Type-C cable, and we also have got the charger. So let me see the charger. What is this? So its capacity is 27-watt charger. Okay, and this is its data cable. Okay, so I'll show you how it clicks the photos and videos in my next videos. So thank you so much.